Hey everyone, so it's Deb, and by the time you see this, you will have already seen hopefully the paper pumpkin unboxing. So these are what I made with the paper pumpkin unboxing. I'm getting ready to do alternate ideas. So in preparation for that, I popped out all these scallops circles and all the scalloped hearts that they gave us, and a couple sheets of the little kangaroos and chameleons. And now what I'm doing, and some of the hearts, when you punch all those out, you end up with sheets that look like this. So I pulled out my little punches that were the Bitty Blooms punch pack. They're in the Occasions catalog. There's 4, and they look like, oops, sorry, like this. This way maybe. So 3 little flowers and then like a stem and circle. So what I'm doing, I punched out so far some little of the round flowers and some of these like starbursty daisy kind of flowers. And now I'm going to do, oh, and also some 3/4 inch circles. So I'm going to go ahead and do this flower now, and I just go in all these areas in between where the hearts and things punched. Now that one, I think I'm also going to do some 1/2 inch, and this is not a Stampin' Up! Punch, this is one I had in my stash. It's a 1/2 inch scallop punch, and just punch some of those. But mostly I want to do these, what did I just do with it? Oh, right in front of me. Mostly I want to do these little sunburst type flowers, and I can get a couple just going around the edges. The bigger circles here, the 3/4 inch one, I got them from I guess it was the sheet that had the circles on, because on those, let me get one here, you have these areas here in the middle, and they fit a bigger circle, so I punched some of them. And I don't know that I'll use all of these on my alternates, but I'll probably use some of them, and then I have the rest I can save for later, because I don't like to be wasteful. And there was space on here with Pool Party color, which is beautiful, and I'm sure I'll be able to use flowers for something. And even if you don't like it in Pool Party, it's white on the back, and you could color it whatever color you want. So that way we get a lot more use out of our little sheet of where we punched out the items we did before. So, you know, use what you have and don't waste. Use as much as you can of what's given to you. And they gave you a lot of stuff in this kit. So I'm actually even taking this little starburst and going in between here. And I'm able to get some like piles of these little flowers and things. So isn't that cute? And I think I'm going to do some of the little leaves and things. So now I'm comfortable throwing that out. So I won't keep you. I just wanted to show you what I'm doing in prep. Oh, and then these little hearts, hang on, those I got by fussy cutting around the punched out heart. So that's where these little hearts came out, and I just took a little pair of scissors, whichever little scissors you have. These are not Stampin' Up, but I do have the Stampin' Up snips too, and they would work fine. And you just turn the paper. And I'm not the best fussy cutter, but I thought those would look really cute. And they still have some of that Melon Mambo color on them. I'm going to go like that. So I'm just cutting around, trying to get all the white off around it. And then you have an open heart. And how cute is that? So yeah, I'm thinking a little outside the box and trying not to waste. Now I don't know that I'll fussy cut all these, but I'm going to do some because I think that would make a cute embellishment. Okay, so now we have a few little open hearts in addition to our regular hearts. And then we have some 3/4 inch circles, and somewhere here I have, I think I have a 1/2 inch circle from Stampin' Up! Too. I just didn't find it right away. But I'm pretty sure I have one of those as well. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. I'm preparing to make some alternates. Excuse me. Still getting over this cold. I also brought out a pillow box, and I'm just playing around with something I might do. So I think I'll cut down the score line and cut across and cut those flaps off, or maybe one of them. And I might leave one on. And I might turn this into a banner on a card. So, and I just have one of the pool party hearts and one of the smaller hearts, or I could even do an open heart. That's kind of cute too. So yeah, I'm just playing around, and I'll be back when I get some alternates ready. Hey everyone, I'm back. Okay, I made 5 cards as alternates this week, or this month, for Paper Pumpkin. I did make 4 of the little pillow boxes, and then I sent the picture to my daughter and asked her if her little girl, my youngest granddaughter, would, or the oldest even, but the youngest in particular, would like these for their little Valentine exchange at school. And she said, she wrote back and she said, Haley loves those. So I told her I would give her the rest of the kit and they can make them. I punched things out and I did all the stamping for them. But they're going to use them for her little Valentine's party. So I kept enough product out, but they still have enough for at least 20 more pillow boxes. I think I just threw 2 more extra boxes back in there, so they might have enough for 22. So anyway, without further ado, I think these are adorable. They're just so cute. So let me show you the first card. Let me move this out of the way. I'm going to give her the instructions because she hasn't done a Paper Pumpkin kit before. So here's the first one that I did. This is half of a pillow box. I did the, I had to cut the flat like a flag here, but I left it rounded up here. This is on Pool Party cardstock, Whisper White, and I used the Melon Mambo, the little heart background stamp that came in the Paper Pumpkin. And that would be this one here. You can see that. This is one of the hearts. This is one of the hearts that I showed you just a little bit ago that I fussy cut out of the sheet that still had that little bit left around it. So I fussy cut that out, and then this is one of the epoxy hearts they gave you, and a little chameleon. And this ribbon is the, is it flax ribbon, 5/8 inch. That's in the Occasions catalog on page 35. And then on the inside, I just put a piece of Whisper White and stamped Happy Valentine's Day, and just put another little heart in there. So that's all I did on that one. So cute. So the next one, I went and pulled out my Animal Expedition paper. I don't have the stamp and die set for that, but I do have the paper. So this one had a kangaroo with a little koala bear in it. So I took one of the kangaroos, I put it on one of the circles that came in the kit. I punched out in Whisper White one of the, I think it's the Everyday Label punch. And I again did the background stamp with those little hearts, and I stamped in, what is that called? Lemon Lime Twist, I believe. Hang on. Yes, Lemon Lime Twist. Be My Valentine. Then up here I had punched a little 3/4 inch circle, and I again used one of the fussy cut hearts. Just put it on there and made it look like the kangaroo was sort of holding it. I put it over the tail of the chameleon. And then I put glossy accents in the middle of that heart, and also I put glossy accents on this heart. And the inside I just put Happy Valentine's Day. Why is that so blurry? Focus. There. Sorry, I hope that wasn't so blurry here. There we go. Okay, so that was the second card. And the third card I did a little different. This is actually the back of one of the Animal Expedition, and I don't know if you can tell, it has the same pattern on it as the Pool Party pillow box packs. So I cut one of the pillow boxes in half again. I sort of lined those up, but I altered it from the main stripes on the Lemon Lime Twist green. This is the back of one of the blue circles, scallop circles, and the front obviously of the heart. I stamped one of the birds that was in here, this one here on this left here. And I colored him with Light Pool Party, and I didn't have Lemon Lime Twist in the blends, so I used Granny Apple Green, and for his beak I think I used the Light Daffodil Delight. These little flower centerpiece and leaves are from those mini punches in the Occasions catalog that I punched out of the remaining Pool Party paper from when you punch these out. This is one of the hearts in the kit, and these are the little epoxy hearts in the kit, and these Welcome Baby, that's from the Well Written Words Framelits dies. And then I just cut out a little sloth hanging upside down with a bird there. So I thought he was cute, and he fit in that corner. So just a lot of different layering. And I think the Lemon Lime Twist really made the Pool Party pop. So I thought that was cute. And then I just left the inside blank. I don't have anybody having a baby, so I don't know how quick that'll get used. The next one, I went a little different. I had this piece of, it's the back of one of the animal prints, and I don't have too much more of that left. Let me see. Oh, here. It's the one that has the animals and the frog sitting on the branch. But it's the one that has the larger sized animals, I believe. Yeah, I don't have any more of that left other than that little snip there. So that's the back of it, the giraffe print. Then I took the little heart that was in this paper pumpkin, and I stamped on the Pool Party heart in Pool Party, and I did it in dark, and then also stamped off and did some in light. This is actually one of the backs of the hearts in the kit, but I flipped it over and colored it with crumb cake marker. And then this is one of the Petal Pink hearts in the kit. This heart here is bumped up on dimensionals. This I stamped a For You My Friend from the kit, and I punched it out with a, this is not a Stampin' Up punch. It's a 1.5 inch scallop punch, but you can use Stampin' Up punches or stitch circles or whatever you choose. This is a leftover piece of twine from a previous paper pumpkin kit. I have this much left on, and it's like a copper and vanilla, and then the little kangaroo, and I didn't bother putting the heart on there this time. I just left this pouch open, and then on the inside I also left it blank with just another piece of the striped paper there, because I didn't have one long enough for the giraffe print. I really kind of like that one. And the last one I did, I switched to Petal Pink because I wanted to use the Petal Pink hearts. So I pulled out a piece of Petal Pink cardstock. That's in the subtles, and also a piece of the Petal Pink Designer Series paper from the Subtles Designer Series paper collection. The back of that is this stripe, so I put some of this stripe down at the bottom. This ribbon came in, I think it was the Tea Party, hang on. the metallic ribbon combo pack, and it comes 5 yards each, petal pink and shaded spruce. So I haven't been using this much, so I used the petal pink and I just laid it across there. I popped up, I glued this heart down, and this was cut from the largest of the fancy hearts in the V970 heart framelit dies in the Occasions catalog. Again, I stamped in petal pink for you, my friend. Put one of the smaller petal pink hearts on, epoxy hearts, from the paper pumpkin kit, and again bumped this scallop up. And then on the inside, I just put you're one in a chameleon with another heart. So, and it's for you, my friend. So that is it. Let me lay them all out here. That is my 5 alternates for this time. This one using the characters and the hearts and the epoxy and the stamp and the pillow box. So everything on here except the cardstock in the background and the white cardstock in here is from the paper pumpkin kit. Everything. This one I deviate a little bit. A lot of it's from the paper pumpkin kit except for the lemon lime twist ink and this paper and the crumb cake paper and cardstock. But the ink used and all the other parts are from the kit. Then we had Welcome Baby, which this is from the kit, this is from the kit, this is not, the words are not, the stamp is, and the punch is not, but the flowers were punched out of the paper in the kit, and this is from the kit. And then these two deviate the most. They do have the characters, they do use the stamp set, but the papers are not from the kit, and the enamel hearts are on both of them. And that is it, I believe. So I hope you enjoyed the 5 cards that I did. If anybody'd like to know how to do them in detail, let me know. If you're not seeing these and I can't make it go up any higher. Sorry. There we go. That's a little better. So yeah, that's my 5 alternate cards, and I hope you enjoyed, and I guess that's it for now, guys. I'll talk to you next month. I'll be talking to you before that, but next month for the February paper pumpkin, which again is supposed to be 9 cards and something to do with succulents, and that's about all I know. Take care. Bye for now. Have a great day.